Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. Due to current situation, we are arranged online classes for you. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Open your books, page number 1. Unit number 1, understanding our bodies. In this chapter, we will study about the major parts of human body and also the function of these parts. Turn the pages. Start from a first line. In many ways, a living body is like a wonderful machine. Just like machine, all living bodies are made up of many smaller parts. As you know that our body is just like a machine, and just like machine, all living bodies are made up of smaller parts. Machine needs fuel to make them work, and the fuel for the body is fuel. Now machine need fuel. Which thing? Fuel. So for our body, fuel is food. All living beings need a regular supply of the food to keep their bodies working properly. Now these living beings regularly supply food to keep working properly. Your body. Each of the many different parts of your body has a special job to do. Now our body have different parts. These parts have special job. The bones and muscles work together to make you move. Through bones and muscles, our body can move. Underline word bones, muscles. The heart pumps the blood around the body. What is the function of heart? Heart pumps blood around the body. The lungs take in a gas called oxygen from the air. Now what is the function of lungs? It take in a gas which we called it oxygen from the air. The most complicated parts is the brain, which control all the other parts. Brain can control all other parts. When our body do different activities, all activities are controlled by brain. Like all other living thing, the human body is made up of tiny parts called cell. Keep it in mind, our human body is made up of tiny part, means small parts. We called it cells. There are millions of cells in the body. Our body contains millions of cells. The skin, blood, muscles and most other body parts are made of cells. These cells, skin, blood, muscles and most other body parts are made up of cell. Our body is made up of cell. Now these cells combine together form a tissue. But the main thing that our body is made up of cell. Again I summarize the topic that our body is made up of single cell. Now our body contains different parts, different organs, that is heart, lung, brain. These organs are internal organs. They have different function. Let us do exercise work. Page number 15. First question is, what is the name of tiny parts that make up the human body? Now what is the name of tiny parts? As you know on page number 2 that cell is the tiny parts that make a body. Second question is, what is the work of the heart? Means what heart can do. On page number 2 the answer is, the heart pumps blood around the body. Take out your notebooks for classwork. First of all, write day, date, unit 1, understanding our bodies. Give heading of question answers. Question 1 is, what is the name of the tiny parts that make up the human body? The name of the tiny parts that make up the human body is cell. Question 2 is, What is the work of the heart? The heart pumps the blood around the body. Do your work neat and clean. Draw a finishing line. Thank you all. Have a nice day.